how to change age on Duolingo account. So if you want to change your age on Duolingo account, then first you need to open up your Duolingo application. After that, it will take you to this kind of interface, right? So what you need to do is just simply go with the profile section. Under profile, you can go with settings, which is on the top right. And from the settings, you can go with the help center or the feedback section. And it will take you to the browser. Now here, you need to scroll down. You need to just simply tap on the feedback, and then it will take you to this kind of interface. You need to describe your issue. So you need to enter your email address and then enter the subject, such as change age, and then under the description you need to write I want to change my age on Duolingo. And after that you need to select the issue, which is you can scroll down and then select change age, or if you don't find change age, you can go with the bug report or other bug. And you can also attach some files if you want to, like screenshots of your profile, and then go with submit, and that's it. After that, you'll be able to change your age on your Duolingo account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.